Want to access your CRA, My Account for taxes, benefits, or personal info? Here's a fast and easy guide to register for CRA My Account for the first time. Step 1. Make sure you need to register, already have a CRA My Account, My Business Account, or represent a client login. Don't register again. Just sign in with the same method, CRA User ID or Sign-in Partner. Step 2. Gather what you need. You'll need Social Insurance Number, SIN, date of birth, info from your latest tax return, line amounts. For faster access, also get a mobile device with a camera and one of the following: Canadian passport, Canadian driver's license, provincial CHU territorial photo ID. Step 4. Verify your identity. Choose one of two ways. Option 1. Instant ID verification. Use your phone to take a photo of yourself, plus your ID must be 16 years or older. Fastest option, verified instantly. Option 2, CRA security code by mail. CRA will mail you a code in 10 business days. After getting it, sign in and enter the code before it expires. Step 5, set up multi-factor authentication, MFA. Pick one way to get your login passcode. Authenticator app, scan a QR code. Phone number, receive code by text or call. Passcode grid, download and save. Step 6, complete your identity verification. If you chose photo ID, follow the prompts on your phone to finish. If you chose CRA code by mail, enter the code after logging in. That's it. This how to register CRA My Account first time.